The GoPro Hero 10 Black is here, bringing improved video quality, smoother operation, and smarter features. But does it deserve the title of the best action camera? Let's dive in. Released on September 16, 2021, the Hero 10 Black is available directly from GoPro and third-party retailers. With a GoPro subscription, you can grab it for $399 in the US, PS379 in the UK, or a $599 in Australia. Without the subscription, it jumps to $499, PS479, or $749. There's also the Creator Edition for vloggers, packed with useful mods. At first glance, the Hero 10 Black looks just like its predecessor, the Hero 9 Black, but with subtle changes like a darker body and blue GoPro branding. The buttons, battery compartment, and mounting fingers remain the same. However, the new lens cover is hydrophobic and scratch-resistant, reducing smudging and improving clarity. Features performance. The biggest upgrade? The new GP2 chipset. This powerhouse makes the camera twice as fast from menu navigation to file transfers. The touchscreen is much more responsive, and there's now a wired data transfer mode for even quicker uploads. Video image quality. The Hero 10 Black delivers up to 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and even 2.7K at 240 FPS for super slow motion shots. Stills are boosted to 23 MP, and frame grabs from video are sharper than ever. Hypersmooth 4.0 provides better stabilization, and horizon leveling now works up to 45 degrees. Battery usability. The 1720 mAh battery is unchanged from the Hero 9 Black. Shooting at 5.3K 60 FPS drains it quickly. Expect about an hour of use per charge. The camera also warms up noticeably when recording at high resolutions, potentially leading to overheating in extreme conditions. If you're considering an upgrade, the Hero 9 Black is still a great choice, offering solid performance at a lower price. The Hero 8 Black is another budget-friendly option, though it lacks the front-facing screen. Not tied to GoPro? Check out the DJI Action 2 or the Insta361 RS for unique alternatives. So, should you buy the GoPro Hero 10 Black? If you want the latest and greatest with better speed, quality, and stabilization, it's a solid upgrade, especially with a GoPro subscription. However, if you own a Hero 9 Black, the improvements might not be enough to justify the upgrade. Either way, GoPro remains the king of action cameras.